Hi, this week we're looking at the 2/1 game force system and in particular opener's second bid. Well, once partner has set up a game force at their first response when they bid two of their own suit over yours, well, the best thing to do is go slowly. Because if you're in a game force, there's a principle that applies and it's called the principle of fast arrival. In fact, when two people know they're in a game force, the faster you get to game, the worse the hands are. The slower you get to game, the more there is to describe. So with 2/1 game force, once you're in a game force, if you've got a good hand with support or you've got a good hand with 6 or 7 cards of your suit, just bid it at the basic level. You don't have to jump and waste your own bidding space. So try the hand I've given you. Have a great week. A beautiful hand when partner has opened one spade. Bidding 2 hearts in 2/1 game force is an opening hand, 5 or more hearts, and a game force. So we would do that, expecting to bid more than game. Partner raises to 3. They know we have 5 or more, so they would have 3 or more hearts and 5 spades. Our hands are matching very well. Once they've raised hearts, hearts are set as trumps. So if we bid 3 spades, that's a Q bid saying I have a control first or second round in spades. It won't be confused with thinking spades are going to be the trump suit because we've agreed the other major as the trump suit. Now they're saying they have a control in diamonds. That's very good news because we had nothing in diamonds. So let's bid 4 no trumps blackwood to find out what else we can on this hand. They have 2 key cards without the queen of trumps. So they'll have the ace of diamonds and the ace of spades. We can try 5 no trumps because we know we have all the key cards and we've got the queen of trumps. The way partner shows no other kings, in other words, not the club king, not the diamond king, is by bidding the trump suit. So we'll leave it. If they had shown a diamond or a club king, we would have happily gone to 7. We may still make 7 because they've got a good spade suit and the ace of diamonds, but let's just try 6. So sure enough, they have what they said, a minimum opening hand, but they had a fit for hearts, ace of diamonds and 2 key cards, ace of spades, ace of diamonds, no trump queen. We could make 7 here. I don't want to take the risk of playing the queen of diamonds in case something goes wrong. Win the ace. Now our goal is to play a heart over to the ace. We've got 9 trumps. And now the king. And don't touch the last trump. The trumps broke 3-1, but leave the last trump in West's hand because we need to try to establish the spade suit by playing 1 over to the ace. Now trump a spade with this high queen of trumps. Nobody could over trump us. So the spades have broken 4-2, and now we'll cross over, using the trump as an entry, cross over to that jack. No trumps left. Queen of spades is a winner. Throw the diamond away. 8 of spades is a winner. Throw the diamond away. Now take the club finesse. It didn't work, so luckily we were only in 6, not 7. And we made the small slam, 1430. Notice that we left the jack of hearts up here for when we needed to trump the spades because they broke 4-2.